If you want faster access to important Google Drive files or folders, adding a shortcut to your home screen is one of the easiest time-saving tricks you can use. Instead of opening the Drive app and searching every single time, you can jump straight to the document or folder you need in just one tap. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to add a Google Drive shortcut to your home screen, and both are quick, beginner-friendly, and easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Let's get started. First, let's go over the easiest method, which is using the Google Drive app itself. This works for both individual files and entire folders, so whether you want fast access to a report, a shared project folder, or an important document, this method is a great choice. Open the Google Drive app on your phone and look for the file or folder that you want to place on your home screen. Once you find it, tap the three vertical dots next to the name to open the options menu. When the menu appears, scroll down until you see the option that says Add to Home Screen. Tap that option and Google Drive will prepare a shortcut for you. After that, a preview pop-up will appear. Depending on your device, you may see a choice to drag the icon manually or let the phone add it or automatically. If you want more control, touch and hold the icon, then drag it to the exact spot you want on your home screen. If you prefer convenience, just tap Add to Home Screen or Add Automatically, and your phone will place it in the next open space for you. Once that's done, your shortcut will appear right on your home screen, and you can open that file or folder instantly whenever you need it. Now, let's move on to method 2, which is using the Drive widget. This is especially useful if you work with multiple documents or folders often and want a faster way to organize your most important Drive items. Start by going to an empty area on your home screen. Then, long press on the background until your home screen options appear. Tap Widgets and scroll through the widget list until you find Drive. You'll usually see a small shortcut-style widget, often a one-by-one icon, which is perfect for quick access. Once you find it, press and drag the Drive widget onto your home screen. As soon as you place it, a window will pop up asking you to select a file or folder. Choose the item you want, and the shortcut will be created immediately. This is a great option if you want a cleaner setup with easy access to your most used files without opening the full app each time. If the shortcut doesn't appear where you want it, don't worry. You can usually press and hold it, then move it to a better location on your home screen. You can also create multiple shortcuts if you want quick access to different folders or documents. For example, you might make one shortcut for work files, one for school notes, and one for a shared team folder. That way, your most important Drive items are always just one tap away. A quick tip before you finish: if you're using Google Drive for daily work, keep your shortcuts organized so they're easy to find. Put the most important ones in the top rows of your home screen and group related shortcuts together for faster access. That little bit of organization can save you a lot of time over the long run. So now you know how to add a Google Drive shortcut to your home screen using both the app and the widget method. Whether you want quick access to a single file or a frequently used folder, these steps make your workflow a lot easier and much more efficient. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Google Drive tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.